Welcome, creative friends, to another cozy Sunday play in my autumn journal. As the seasons change and the weather cools down, I find myself spending more time indoors, and for me, that's the perfect chance to sit with my journal. It's more than just paper and glue. It's a place where I can experiment, explore colors, and express feelings that don't always fit into words. Today's spread is full of color. Those lilac and teal shades are appearing more and more in my journal lately. There's something really special about this combination. Lilac feels calm and a little dreamy, while teal adds balance and freshness. Together, they make the page more alive. I'm curious, what colors are inspiring you these days? For the background, I'm using part of an old Gelli print I made during last autumn. I love recycling pieces from previous projects because it feels like my journal is telling a longer story with layers from different seasons of my life. Every page becomes a conversation between past and present creativity. And of course, I couldn't resist adding interactive elements, foldouts, layered pieces, and things that peek out from the edges. I think of these as little surprises for future me when I flip through the journal again. From a magazine, I found some lilac lanterns, some flowers and leaves, and even a beanbag chair. These elements bring playfulness and remind me that journaling doesn't have to be serious. It can be fun, experimental, and even a bit whimsical. treasure most about journaling is how many roles it can play in our lives. Sometimes it's a memory keeper, capturing tiny moments that might otherwise be forgotten. Other times it's a safe space to process emotions, to untangle thoughts, or simply to slow down in a fast-moving world. Journaling can also boost creativity in surprising ways. When we cut, paste, doodle, or layer colors, our mind relaxes, and suddenly new ideas start to flow. It doesn't matter if the page turns out pretty or not, because the value is in the process. Each page is a reminder that we showed up for ourselves, that we made time to create. I've also noticed that my journals become a reflection of gratitude. When I flip through them later, I see not just the artwork, but also the little reminders of what mattered to me in that season. It's like a personal time capsule that holds not only images but feelings. If you're watching and you keep a journal too, I'd love to know, what's your favorite benefit of journaling? Do you use it mostly for creativity, for memory keeping, or for reflection? Share your thoughts in the comments below.
better than anyone I know. Yeah, you know I need space, a little time for myself when I'm stressed and upset. You know me better than anyone I know. Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how I know this is forever. All these years, every single tear, all the regrets and promises, all the fuck-ups, breakups, bumps in the road we've been until we break. We keep crashing down, but baby we got up. Yeah, look at us now. After all these years, yours and mine, it's you and I. It's you and I. You won't say it out loud, but I can tell you're not fine. 'Cause I know you like that. I know you better than anyone you know. Yeah, I know exactly how you bottle things up inside, but you don't have to be stubborn, so goddamn proud. I know you better than anyone you know. Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how I know this is forever. All these years, every single tear, all the regrets and promises, all the fuck-ups, breakups, bumps in the road we've been until we break. We keep crashing down, but baby we got up. Yeah, look at us now. After all these years, yours to mine, it's you and I.
And while you're here, if you enjoy this kind of cozy, creative content, feel free to give this video a like. It really helps others find the channel. And if you think someone else would enjoy a little inspiration for their own journaling, go ahead and share it with them. If you haven't already, I'd love for you to subscribe and join me for more Sunday creative sessions, where we keep exploring new ideas together. Thank you so much for watching and for spending your Sunday with me. I can't wait to see you again next week for another journaling adventure. Until then, I wish you a beautiful, happy Sunday and a creative week ahead. Take care and happy creating.